This is Manish Dikshit and you are watching class 10th NCERT quadratic equation. Let us start with quadratic equation with very important formulas. We will learn only 5 formulas from here. First is AX quad. What is quadratic equation? Quad means AX square plus BX plus C is quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Why this is called as quadratic equation? Because the variable here is x. If the x power is 2, then this will be known as quadratic equation. Clear? What is it? If variable power is 2, highest variable power is 2, then this equation is known as quadratic equation. Variable power, not variable. Here x is the variable and a comma b comma c are constant. X is variable and a comma b comma c are constant. A comma b comma c are constant. Clear? Here this is a quadratic equation. Ideal quadratic equation, whenever we talk about quadratic equation, we talk about ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? Its two roots are there. Alpha, one is alpha and the other is beta. Two roots are there, alpha and beta. First formula. First, if alpha comma beta are the roots, then equation will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Clear? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. This is the first formula. Ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic equation and alpha beta are the roots. First formula start. Let us start with the first formula. If a, alpha and beta are the roots, then the equation will be x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus product plus alpha beta. Clear? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and alpha beta equals to c by a. How is it calculated? Then listen, first of all, you compare any quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Then you try to find out the value of a comma b comma c. Let us start with an example. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Here a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to 5. Clear? This is the equation. This is the value of a comma b comma c and this is the equation. Clear? This is quadratic equation. Clear? Let us quadratic equation when equals to 0. If you are not putting that 0, then it will be called as expression, and if you put a 0, then it will be called as quadratic equation. Clear? Second formula ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and alpha beta equals to c by a. Clear? Third is the Dharacharya formula. What is it? Dharacharya formula. What is it? Let us start with Dharacharya formula. 3 steps you have to follow. You have to follow. What is it? One is equation is ax square plus bx plus c and the Dharacharya formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And third is put value of a comma b comma c with sign. Put value of a comma b comma c with sign. Clear? This is the formula, Dharacharya formula, and this is the third part of our chapter quadratic equation. Dharacharya formula, very important formula regarding point of view of this quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation. The value of x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If you want to apply this formula, 3 steps you have to follow. One is you have to compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Second, apply formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And the third is you have to put the value of a comma b comma c with the sign. Clear? Let us move to fourth formula. Is nature of this is b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant, is called discriminant. Clear? b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Clear? Nature of roots. Fourth formula, we have to find the nature of roots. What is that nature of roots? If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then roots will be equal and real. Will be real and equal. Roots will be real and equal. Roots will be real and equal. Clear? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots will be real and unequal. Clear? Roots will be real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots will be imaginary. Roots will be imaginary. Clear? This is the fourth one, nature of roots. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Nature of roots, we have to decide nature of roots. We can decide by applying b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, ax square plus bx plus c. If this equation is there and the b square minus 4ac, you have to apply 2x square plus 5x plus 6. Clear? If this is the formula, then what you have to do, a is this, b is this, and c is this. You write this, the value of b, c, a and c in this formula, and then you can decide whether the roots of this equation are unequal, real, imaginary, or equal, real, imaginary. Clear? Then you decide the nature of roots. What is the nature of roots? And this is called the discriminant, and this is the fourth topic that we are including in quadratic equation. One thing I would like to tell you, one is the chapter in second is polynomial in class 10th, and the fourth chapter is quadratic equation. I am just completing the formulas for both chapters. And these 5 formulas are the essential formulas that I am included in my videos. Now let us move to fifth concept of this quadratic equation. And the fifth concept, how to make it a perfect square. You have to follow these steps. First step, make the coefficient of x square as 1. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Half the coefficient of x. Make square of it. Fourth one is add and subtract and make it a perfect square. Clear? I am repeating these 4 steps right from the beginning. The fifth and the last part of this quadratic equation, chapter 4th of class 10th NCERT, how to make a perfect square. Make the first step, make the coefficient of x square as 1, half the coefficient of x, make a square of it, add and subtract and make it a perfect square. Clear?